Meet 10 simple ways to lose weight in 2 weeks. Stress at work, fast food, and poor sleep prevents you from reaching your dream body and can even do worse things. But losing weight is not always about strict diets and exhaustive exercise. There are many tricks that can help you lose a little excess weight in just 2 weeks. In today's video, we'll share with you 10 tips that can help you get rid of excess belly fat. Most people don't even know about these tricks. But before we start, I invite you to sign up here on the channel and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the important content that comes out here daily on the channel. Number 10. Avoid sugary drinks. When your sweet tooth kicks, you are often tempted to take a soda can or some fruit juice. However, if you are determined to lose weight, this sugary addiction should stop. It has been proven by doctors in the nutrition department at the Harvard School that drinking sugary drinks contributes to overweight and obesity. That's a very important point to think about. If you want to burn more fats, according to Dr. Margarite Westerterp-Plantanga from Maastricht University, drinking green tea can help because it is loaded with antioxidants called catechins that increases your fat-burning capabilities. Number 9. Hide unhealthy foods. Apply this rule to unhealthy foods out of sight and out of mind. According to a study by scientists at Ohio State University, you crave more unhealthy snacks when they are within your reach. This finding is reiterated by doctors at Cornell University and Finland's VTT Technical Research Center in their research. Keep unhealthy foods in the cupboard and not on your countertops. You can swap healthier options like a bowl of fruit if you can't stop snacking. Number 8. Brush your teeth more often. Brushing you not only clean your teeth, but can also help in the fight against overweight. If you brush during the day, around 15,000 people participated in a research project conducted by the Catholic University of Korea and the University of Korea. The research showed that there is a link between brushing your teeth and losing weight. The toothpaste removes leftover food from your mouth and stops communicating with the recipients, and soon the brain receives a signal that lunch is over. Number 7. Laugh more. This is not a joke. Sincere laughter uses the same amount of energy as walking, since it involves different muscles, especially abdominal muscles. The study of a team of researchers from the medical department at Vanderbilt University showed that 10 to 15 minutes of laughter a day can burn 10 to 40 calories. That's why we recommend you watch more comedy shows. It's easier to get a good laugh from the comedy shows you're already watching than to sign up for a yoga club, isn't it? Laughter instead is not usually a topic. For you to get an idea, currently there are about 6,000 groups of laughs around the world. Laughing is the best medicine indeed. Number 6. Drink some more water. We are told many times about water and again reinforcement. Drinking enough water accelerates the process of fat burning. If you're not convinced, a team of scientists from Humboldt University and the German Institute of Human Nutrition researched this topic. They asked the participants of their study to drink 2 large glasses of water. As a result, their metabolism became 30% faster and more efficient. Scientists claim that by drinking 50 ounces of fluid one more day, a person can burn about 17,400 calories a year, about 4 pounds. Number 5. Follow the 2.5-minute rule. This rule was established by scientists from Colorado State University and the University of Colorado and Schultz Medical Campus. They call it sprint interval training and requires a 2.5-minute intense workout every day. The thing is 5-30 seconds of hard exercise during a workout. For example, speeding up riding a bike or running on a treadmill with 4 breaks. Minutes can increase your metabolism. You will burn an extra 200 calories of high-intensity exercise and always give 100% to burn more fat. Number 4. Eat less, but more often. It is easy when you eat frequently. You let your body know that there is no need to accumulate fats. When we skip a meal, we send the opposite signal and tend to eat more. Based on research from the Department of Nutritional Sciences at the University of Toronto, eating little and often reduces cholesterol levels by 15 and insulin levels by almost 28. Insulin plays an important role Since it controls the blood sugar level, if there is a lack of insulin, glucose does not reach either fat cells or muscles. Number 3. Remove bright blue light from electronic monitors. Here's another simple way to boost your metabolism. Remove the blue light from your phone. If you use it before bedtime, however, experts say that it is best to completely avoid screen time before going to sleep. So, a study conducted by scientists of the Department of Physiological Anthropology at Kyushu University showed that bright light confuses our brain, which then stops producing melatonin. Our metabolism is firmly tied to our sleep patterns and the quality of our sleep. Adjusting the shades of light emitted by your screens can help you get an improvement in your sleep. Number 2. Get rid of stress. According to a study at Ohio State University, stress slows our metabolism. This is common because when we are stressed, we tend to eat more fatty, sweet, and salty foods. Scientists say that the consumption of high-calorie products in stressful situations affects our metabolism and causes weight gain. Try to avoid binge eating at all costs when you are stressed. Number 1. Get a good sleep. It sounds silly, but really sleeping well makes a lot of difference. A good healthy sleep of 8 hours of sleep from 10 or 11 p.m. to 6 or 7 a.m. contributes to a great metabolism, which can also help you get rid of unwanted belly fats. In a study conducted by Assistant Professor Marie Pierson-Ange at Columbia University and Irish Assistant Professor Schechter at Columbia University Medical Center, individuals who slept less than 5 hours were more prone to weight gain and obesity than those who had enough sleep. What tips do you follow to stay healthy? Feel free to share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to click the button below and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned here on the channel because we are preparing more content like this. I'll see you soon. Bye.